Over the last few years, I've filmed footage for National Geographic, BBC, Netflix, Apple TV, and a bunch of others. And one of the things that I noticed that stood out to me the most was the way that they edited the footage across every one of these productions was very similar in the way that they used the same kind of trick. And I want to show you that today. This is just going to be a really quick video. It's something very simple that I think anybody can do this. And it's just going to make your wildlife footage just a little bit more interesting, or any kind of footage for that matter, when you really want to highlight a key moment in a video clip. So let's get started here. The first thing that I want to do is I want to take the same clip, the identical clip, and put it into the timeline twice. Now what I'm going to do is put one clip on top of the other. And basically what I want to do here is I want to kind of find key moments where the footage could use a little bit more of a close-up. And what I'm going to do is, instead of kind of zooming in, a slow gradual zoom in, I'm going to take one of the clips, the top clip, and I'm going to scale that in to whatever percentage that you need here. In this case, just something roughly like this. And then what I'm going to do is just drag the footage back, crop it back to that key moment, and you'll see basically what it's going to do is just do a quick cut to a tighter crop of that moment. And it kind of just mixes up the view a little bit, shows you a different aspect, and it highlights the key moment. And I don't want to do that for the whole clip though. I kind of want to mix it up to make it more interesting. So I'm just going to split the clip here and just move along to, again, I'm doing this quick, but just kind of find another random point that I want to highlight by cropping in tighter. So you'll see we have the tight crop of this pileated woodpecker eating ants. Cut back to the wider view. Again, just mix it up a little bit, make it more interesting instead of just one monotonous clip all the way through. And then when the woodpecker goes to knock off another piece of bark, we go tight back in again. And you could do this anywhere, any kind of clip, where you have that interesting moment where you just want to zoom in on it. You can do it as many times as you need to. Again, this is just a very, very simple editing trick that I noticed a lot of these TV shows and documentaries, etc. were doing with my personal footage. And I found that quite interesting, and I like the way that it mixed it up a little bit better. So I just wanted to share, and I hope you find this useful. You can do this with any editing platform out there, whether it's iMovie, DaVinci, Final Cut, Premiere that I'm using here, and so forth. So again, quick video. Hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.